Good morning, students. Moving on to the next concept of triple integration is application of triple integration to find out volume of a solid. Okay, volume bounded by surfaces. So definition of volume bounded by surfaces is triple integral dx dy dz in Cartesian if your curve is Cartesian, and if you want to find a triple integral volume bounded by some sphere, then you are going to use spherical polar coordinates. In that case, dx dy dz becomes r square sine theta dr d theta d phi. Okay, so as I mentioned, using spherical polar coordinate system. Then in third case, if you are using cylindrical coordinate system, then dx dy dz becomes r dr d theta dz. Okay, because here substitutions are x is equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta and z as it is. So this is r dr d theta dz for cylindrical. And let me mention fourth also. If you want to find volume of ellipsoid, then this dx dy dz becomes abc r square sin theta dr d theta d phi. The substitutions for x, y, z are mentioned in last lecture. Okay, fine. So let us solve an example so that this idea will be more clear. Example: find volume of region enclosed between cone z is equal to under root x square plus y square and paraboloid x square plus y square equal to z. Okay, before going to the solution, you first of all look at the region enclosed or the volume enclosed by these two surfaces. So as I mentioned, this is cone. All right, so how do you determine that? If you square on both sides, you will get x square plus y square equal to z square. Okay, so x square plus y square equal to z square. That means these are circles of radius z. These are circles of radius z. So it will be something like a cone. Okay. And then this is, as in two-dimensional case, y square equal to x is parabola. Here x square plus y square equal to z is paraboloid. So it will be something like okay. So this is z is equal to x square plus y square, and this inner part is z is equal to under root x square plus y square. So you want to find volume bound enclosed between these two surfaces, that is this. Okay, so v is equal to triple integral dx dy dz. Okay, so from figure, limits of z are clear. Okay, what is value of z on this paraboloid? It is x square plus y square. And what is value of z on this cone? It's under root x square plus y square. So let us integrate with respect to z so that things will be more easy. So v is equal to triple integration, limits of z is from x square plus y square from here. Okay, so this is how we are going to do. Value of z is x square plus y square here, and here it is under root x square plus y square. dy dz dx dy, isn't it? Then integrate with respect to z. So what will you get? Integration with respect to z is dz is z upper limit minus lower limit. So double integral over region R, that will see upper limit is under root x square plus y square minus lower limit, that is x square plus y square dx dy. Okay. All right. So now you integrate. You have integrated with respect to z. So you are in xy plane now. Okay, you are in xy plane. So in xy plane, z is 0, implies, so this is your I. So in xy plane, z is 0, that is under root x square plus y square equal to x square plus y square. If you square on both sides, what will you get? X square plus y square equal to x square plus y square square. Okay, so x raised to 4 plus 2x square y square plus y raised to 4 which is simply 1 x square plus y square will get cancelled, x square plus y square equal to 1. Okay, so two-dimensional region is a circle of radius 1. Okay, if 1 x square plus y square is getting cancelled. So using polar coordinates, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, dx dy becomes r dr d theta, and x square plus y square is r square. So this integration becomes, okay, so basically this circle z is equal to 0, I is equal to double integral r ke limits 0 to 1, theta ke limits 0 to 2 pi. Okay, these are limits of r, these are limits of theta, under root x square plus y square is r square minus r square r dr d theta. Alright. So I is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi integral 0 to 1 r, and you multiply by this r square minus r cube dr d theta, which is integral 0 to 2 pi r cube by 3 minus r raised to 4 by 4 with limits 0 to 1 and d theta as it is. So it is equal to integral 0 to 2 pi 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 d theta, which is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1 by 12 integral 0 to 2 pi d theta, which is 1 by 12, d theta is 2 pi, so pi by 6. So this was volume, which is pi by 6. Okay, so what I did is, you first of all try to find out limits of z. Okay, don't worry about x and y. Integrate with respect to z first, and once you integrate with respect to z, you will come into xy plane. In xy plane, z becomes 0. Then whatever surfaces you have given in those equation, put z is equal to 0 and find the region in xy plane. Okay, so this is the idea to find volume. All right, fine. Second example, if you look at, find the volume of the cylinder. Second, find the volume of a cylinder x square plus y square equal to 2ax intercepted between the paraboloid x square plus y square equal to 2az and xy plane Okay, so looking at this example, you first of all think that what is the volume bounded between these surfaces. So here this is a cylinder, that means if you look at this equation, x square minus 2ax plus y square equal to 0, which will become x square minus a plus y square equal to a square. That means here somewhere is, suppose your a comma 0. Okay, this is a comma 0, and then this paraboloid x square plus y square equal to 2az, and you want volume intercepted between these two. So this is the required volume. Okay, this volume is required volume. This is cylinder. Okay, and this is one end of that cylinder. Okay, which is given by x square plus y square equal to 2x, because end of cylinder will be a circle, and that equation is given here. Alright, so as I said, you will have to vary z from this region. So v is equal to triple integral dx dy dz. Okay, so what are limits of z? In xy plane, z is equal to 0, and here z is equal to x square plus y square upon 2a. Alright, so this becomes v is equal to z के limits 0 to x square plus y square upon 2a dz dx dy. Okay, so integration with respect to z is dz is z, so you will have upper limit over r x square plus y square upon 2a dx dy. Alright. Now once you are in two dimension, region is this circle, okay, where r is the circle x square plus y square equal to 2ax. So using polar coordinates, using x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, dx dy is r dr d theta. Question is about limits of r. Okay. So this will be equation of circle is x square plus y square becomes r square equal to 2ax. So 2ax is r cos theta. So when r gets cancelled, r is equal to 2a cos theta. So for this circle, limits of r is from 0 to 2a cos theta. So v is equal to x square plus y square becomes r square upon 2a dx dy is r dr d theta. Limits of r is from 0 to 2a cos theta, and limits of theta is 2 times 0 to pi by 2. Okay, I will tell you this why. See, that circle in two dimension is something like this. Okay, here it is a comma 0, this is x, y. In two dimension, this circle look like this. So this is your strip. So r is equal to 0 to 2a cos theta, and limits of theta is from theta equal to 0 to pi by 2, or theta equal to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. What I will do is, I will make this integration 2 times. So 2 times 0 to pi by 2 will give you complete region. Okay. So this 2a out, 2 gets cancelled, 1 by a integral 0 to pi by 2, r cube का integration r raised to 4 upon 4 with limits 0 to 2a cos theta d theta. Okay, and then v is equal to this 4 out, 1 by 4a integral 0 to pi by 2 r raised to 4. So 2 raised to 4 is 16, a raised to 4 cos raised to 4 theta d theta. Okay. So 16, so v is equal to 4, 4 is a 16, so 4, this a will get cancelled, a cube integral 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to 4 theta d theta. Okay. So v is equal to 4 a cube, n is even, so n minus 1, so 3 by 4 1 by 2 pi by 2. So this 4 will get cancelled, and volume bounded between those two surfaces is 3 a cube pi upon 4. 3 a cube pi upon 4. Okay. So with this we'll stop. We'll have a few more examples during our lectures, online lecture. Thank you.